We are approaching Atlantis. There's a lot of people behind us regarding graduation that's happening. And I'm short.
Yes, you are.
And that's Bisho here.
I'm shorter.
There's a graduation happening. They don't know what's coming next for them. Life is gonna be a
Chances are you can't look any more miserable than this deep sea creature. Meet the blobfish.
I'll hold you up to that.
It's gonna be our table. All of this. So we can have all the spaces we want. Right in front of the what? The sushi section. Or the best buffet anyone can visit. Saffron. That's my favorite. It has good food. There's a lot that I want to pick. There's a lot. I don't even know where to start with. Like, I'm done with the seafood. I've eaten the oysters. I've eaten the crab. I've eaten the shrimps, the lobsters, and but like when it comes to the meat section, the chicken section, I have no clue what to eat. Look at this, please look at this. Actually crazy, man. Chicken, satay, and they got the beef as well. But they cook their bread inside here, I guess. Oh no, never mind. Let me show you where it's being cooked. Look at this. It's fresh. See, and he does the bread right there. Amazing job. Look at this. Spices here. I put this with my tea, by the way. I know no one asked, but it's delicious with tea. Trust me. Oxtail. Okay. Interesting. Chili crab. Interesting. Vegetarian Singaporean noodle. And normal steamed broth. fresh duck. Chicken and duck. There we go. Delicious. I don't know what Kong is. I don't know what the hell this is. Hainan rice. Ginger poached egg has a salt hanging and roasted egg. There we go. Roasted egg. What? Roasted duck. My bad. The food was amazing. I had duck, I had chicken curry, white rice, I had the seafood. You know, I've shown you the seafood that I took, oysters, mostly oysters, and some crab as well. They grilled it for me, but I couldn't eat a lot. So before I came to Atlantis, I had a cappuccino. Okay, it's not a boomer's drink. It's a normal drink, a normal coffee. It's not made for boomers. Everyone drinks cappuccino, 100% sure. So it kind of affected me in a way that bloated my stomach. So I was like full. I didn't eat as much as I wanted, but I have enough space for. If it wasn't for the coffee, I would have at least taken everything from everything here, you know. You've got all kinds of fruit here. Watermelon, watermelon, pineapple, passion fruit. It goes same in that section. Hello. And you have here chocolate bread and butter pudding. I had this last time. It looks amazing. Okay, right? It looks amazing. So the plan is to lose 10 kilos. Okay? That's the plan. Very good plan. So the plan is to lose 10 kilos, okay? We've got the ice cream section here. Cookies and cream, and ice cream. Mango, lemon, pineapple, and chocolate. Almond flakes, walnuts. Pistachios. I'm not having that. Or am I? It looks amazing. This is all new. Mango cheesecake. Texture of vanilla. I don't know what is this. Black forest cake. Hazelnut tart. So basically, that the black forest that I ate was horrible. Yeah. The vanilla infused cake, whatever, horrible. I don't know. The desserts, it's like they're either too good or too bad. The best one that I had is the one that I ate with a stick, which is the banana something, which is was the best. Now, Jasmine, Mao Jian, finest green tea, gently sandaled with fragrant jasmine flowers. The smell is amazing. I swear to God, guys. Oh my God. I've been sneezing a lot, okay, because of spices. I sneezed a lot, and yeah, it was not a good phase. This is gonna calm me down. And I mentioned earlier the bloating that I had and the gas from the coffee. Fucking hell. It was the milk. People kept asking me, are you lactose intolerant? Lactose? I'm like, no. I don't know, it's the coffee, it's caffeine. I was like so sleepy and so bleh, you know. Yeah, but I drank a lot of it, so it explains a lot. This tea. Yeah. Everyone else, they're getting their desserts. I got mine. And I got my tea as well. Some are in the toilet, some are outside, some are getting desserts. I'm here chilling. The night was amazing, the day was amazing. I've been out for like 9 hours now. I didn't vlog a lot, I couldn't earlier. I couldn't vlog as much as I wanted, but there's gonna be a lot of, you know, restaurants that I'm gonna be visiting soon. A lot of food I wanna taste. This is something you guys are related to because I've been here before, I've streamed it before, I've shown you videos on stream about this restaurant before, but yeah, this is the best restaurant or the best buffet anyone can visit. Saffron, that's my favorite. It has good food. There's a restaurant outside called Nobu. Or Nobu, I'm not sure. I want to visit that. Probably my next vlog. Love you guys. On to the next one.